Generally, 95% of the algebra problems, 95% of the algebra problems comes under 4 types. Comes under 4 types. What are the 4 types? See here. The 4 types are: question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains numerical values. Answer will be numerical values. Question contains variables. Answer also contains variables. Question contains numerical values. Answer contains variables. Question contains numerical values. Answer contains numerical values. Answer contains numerical values. If you are good in all these 4 types, almost you are ready for algebra based questions. 4 types of questions. Type number 1, question has variable, answer has numerical values. I will explain each and every type. Question number 2, question has variables, answer has variables. Type number 3, question has numerical values, answer has variables. Question has numerical values and answer has numerical values. We will discuss each and every possible variety in our 120 minutes of class. These are the 4 types which we are going to discuss. I hope it is clear. Now let us straight away get into some warm-up questions. Some warm-up questions, then we will get into our problem solving. Warm-up questions. How you should probably solve algebra questions. This was the question which was asked in Cognizant Technology Solutions. Question is: x into 4 minus 15 by x equivalent to 4 by x. X square plus 1 by x square equivalent to how much? Options are 7 3 by 4, 8 5 by 9, 9 3 by 17, 16 1 by 16. Exact question. X into 4 minus 15 by x equivalent to 4 by x, x square plus 1 by x square. Students who are very good in maths, who are habituated with the formulas based, immediately they will do x into 4x minus 15 by x equivalent to 4 by x. They will cross multiply. 4x square minus 15x equivalent to 4. Very beautiful quadratic equation they will get. They will find the value of x. They will do x square and they will do 1 by x square and they will add. By the time close to 45 seconds, time is over. In case if you think that I am going to solve algebra like this, you are completely wrong. You can leave the class. If you think that I will teach you something which you already know. If Anil Nair students are solving the question, how I will see is x square is a, 1 by x square is 1 by a plus 1 by a is a 1 by a. Only one option is of the form a 1 by a. He is not asking the question based on quadratic equation. He wants to know whether you know the definition of mixed fraction. You know the definition of a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. X square is a, 1 by x square is 1 by a plus 1 by a is a 1 by a. Only one option is of the form a 1 by a. Hey Anil sir, what if there is another option 25 1 by 25? In that case, what you will do is a is nothing but 16, x square is nothing but 16, x is plus or minus 4. Take one value 4, check with the left hand side equivalent to right hand side. 4 into 4 minus 15 by x equivalent to 4 by 4, 1 equivalent to 1. So option number D is satisfying. This is nothing but just read the question before using your mathematical skills. What is he asking? X square plus 1 by x square. X square is a. 1 by x square is 1 by a. A plus 1 by a is nothing but a 1 by a. Only one option is of the form a 1 by a. What you are taking 45 seconds actually will take 5 seconds if you know, right, the root cause of the problem. That is exactly what I am interested in every class of mine. Time saving approaches, easiest approaches, best, fastest and easiest approaches. Method 1, method 2. I hope the first question is clear. Second question. Second question, the question which I created and gave it to Tata Consultancy Services in 2014, for which I got a name, fame and a lot of money. The question is 31x plus 30y plus 29z equivalent to 366. X plus y plus z equivalent to how much? Now if you see here, this is nothing but an equation with the degree 1 and 3 variables, that is x, y and z. Right? Most of the students will solve this equation. You don't need to solve it. In a year, there are certain months which got 29 days. February, if it has 29 days, the year is nothing but a leap year. Year is nothing but a leap year. Number of days in a leap year, it is nothing but 366. Anyway, at special class, we are going to discuss all the problems related to calendar. There are certain months which got 30 days. There are certain months which got 31 days. January, March, May, July, August, October, December. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. X value is 7. Z value, how many months got 29? 1. Y value is nothing but 4. So, X plus Y plus Z is nothing but, totally how many months are there in a year? Answer is nothing but 12. Answer is nothing but 12. I hope the idea it is clear. Rakesh, x square plus 1 by x square. X square is nothing but a. 1 by x square is 1 by a. A plus 1 by a is a 1 by a. 2 1 by 2. It is 2 plus 1 by 2 beta. It is 2 plus 1 by 2. During my school days, I was so bad in mathematics till 6th class. 2 1 by 2. Don't do the silly mistake of cancelling and writing it as 1. This is mistake. 2 plus 1 by 2. Most of the teachers used to scold me because I used to ask all weird questions like 31 minus 17. Till 7th class, I am not sure about this logic. My teachers used to say 1 carry, it is 10 and it is 14. Right? Till 12 years, I did not find out from where the 10 is coming from. Right? Probably then I realized that 10 is coming because 1 is carried from the 10th place. 12 into 13. This is 36 and it is 12. This is nothing but 156. Till 5th class, I did not understood why they are leaving this gap. Why they are leaving this gap. Then I realized that this is nothing but 120 plus 36. Which is nothing but 156. These Y, W and H related questions is what our macular education system does not focus on. Why, what, when, where and how. What is the difference between Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Mean Time? People will say it is 82 and 5.5 hours. But if you ask Anil Nair, I will say, I don't know this answer. But I know that 82.5 degrees east longitude is passing through India. To move from another place, one place to another place, it takes 5 minutes. So it is nothing but, 4 minutes. 165 by 2 into 4, which is nothing but 330 minutes, which is 5.5 hours. It is 4 minutes. This is what I am interested more in. This is what I wanted my students to probably learn variety of subjects including aptitude. Aptitude is a tool through which I am entering your mind and altering the way that you look at a problem in your life. For everything, there is a logical way and there is a formula way. Formula eases out our process, but it does not work always. A formula is derived from logic. A logic cannot be derived from formula. Second one, third one, some warm-up questions. Third one, x power 7 minus x power 3 equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 7. X is a natural number. X is a natural number. How many values x will take? How many values x will take? Immediately, traditional method, students what they will do is, they will factorize it. This is a very cumbersome process. What you are not understanding is, you have to read the question, half of the problem will be solved. X is a natural number. If x is a natural number, x will be an even number or x will be an odd number. Even number power any number is even. Even number power any number is even. Even minus even is even. Odd number power any number is odd. Odd number power any number is odd. Odd minus odd is even. Right hand side, it should be an even number. Right hand side, it should be an even number. 1, 2, 3, 7. It is an odd number. So how many values x will take? No value of x. No value of x will satisfy this equation. Very, very easy question. Most of the students think that it is a difficult question. It is not a difficult question. It is an easy question if you know it. If x is n, here the root cause is x is a natural number. X is a natural number. If x is a natural number, x should be an even number or x should be an odd number. So even minus even, even. Odd minus odd, it is also even. Right hand side should be an even number, but right hand side given in the question is odd. Therefore, no value of x. Not a single question you will see it in a straightforward textbook approach. That is the reason exactly you should sit the class in time, right? Teja, for you, right? Please repeat the question number 2. 31, 30, 29, 366. Teja, the root cause of the problem is the coefficients. Coefficients are 31, 30 and 29. It represents the number of days for a particular month. 29 is for February 29 days. If February has 29 days, then the year will be a leap year. Remaining 31 and 30. How many months are there? Our parents must have taught how to count the number of months by using this. January, March, May, July, August. X value will be 7 beta. Y value will be 4 and Z value will be 1. I hope it is clear. Third one. Sir, what if the right hand side is an even number? Fourth question. X power 7 minus x power 3. It is nothing but 1292. X is a natural number. X is a natural number. How many values x will take? X power 7 minus x power 3 equivalent to 1292. X is a natural number. How many values x will take? What is this power? 7. What is this power? 3. Right? There is a beautiful concept in number system. Cyclicity of the unit digit. Cyclicity of the unit digit of any number. Cyclicity of the unit digit of any number. It is nothing but 4. After 4 steps, it should definitely get repeated. If a is the unit digit, a power 1, it is a. After 4 steps, it should get repeated, which is nothing but a. A square, a is the unit digit beta. After 4 steps, it should get repeated. A power 3, after 4 steps, it should get repeated. A power 4k, it is nothing but a power 4. Please write down these important key points. Cyclicity of the unit digit of any number is 4. Less than 4, sometimes it may be repeated, sometimes it may not be repeated. But after 4 steps means it could be 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. So multiple of 4. Any multiple of 4 is written as 4k. Any multiple of 4 is written as 4k. A power 4k plus 1 is a. A power 4k plus 2 is a square, a cube and a power 4. Cyclicity of the unit digit of any number is 4. That means if x cube unit digit is a, x cube unit digit is a, x power 7 is x power 4 into 1 plus 3, 4k plus 3 unit digit is again formed out of x cube unit digit is a. Because the difference between the powers is nothing but 4, unit digit will be same. Unit digit will be same. Unit digit will be same for x power 7 and x power 3. Unit digit will be same for x power 7 and x power 3. So if I take x value 12, example, 2 power 7 is 128. 2 power 3 is 8. 8 minus 8, it is 0. 3 power 3 is 27. 3 power 7 also, it will be 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Right hand side is nothing but unit digit should be 0. Right hand side unit digit should be 0. Right hand side unit digit is 2. So the answer is no value for x. Answer is no value for x. I hope the idea it is clear. The difference in the powers is nothing but 4. Cyclicity of the unit digit of any number is 4. After 4 steps, it will get repeated. 3 after 4 steps. 7, it will get repeated. This unit digit and this unit digit are same. So, both if I subtract it, 8 minus 8 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. Right hand side unit digit should be 0. Right hand side unit digit should be 0. But according to the question, right hand side unit digit is nothing but 2. So answer is no value. If there is one variable and the difference in the powers is a multiple of 4, right hand side unit digit is 0. Right hand side unit digit, it is 0. Suppose for example, if it is 49 minus a power 5 equivalent to 358. A is a natural number. Most of the students think that it is an advanced level question, but it is a very, very easy question. A power 49 minus a power 5. What is the difference in the powers? 44. 44 is 4 into 11. Is the difference in the powers a multiple of 4? Yes. So, the right hand side unit digit. Right hand side unit digit is nothing but 0, but it is 8. So, the answer is nothing but no value for A exists. No value for A exists. I hope the idea is clear. Then a smarter student might ask me a question. X power 7 minus x power 3 is 120. If x is a natural number, how many values x can say? Suppose if I take 320. It is directly visible, 2 power 7 minus 2 power 3. It is 320. The best way to solve this question, if it is given in your exam, is not to solve the question, because this question will take 1 or 2 minutes to solve. In 1 or 2 minutes, I can attempt to 5 more questions and get all of them right. This is what I wanted to teach you. Right 3, wrong minus 1. The net gain because of solving this question is 3 marks. But if I choose not to solve this question and solve 5 more questions, each is taking close to about 20 to 25 seconds. Easy question. The net gain is 15 marks. Net gain is 15 marks. 15 marks, 3 marks. You will become a loser in the competitive examination. You will become a winner in the competitive examination. Concept 1. A square minus 5a plus 6 equivalent to 0. There are 3 terms. A square, 5a and 6. Right? What is the highest power? Highest power in a term. Highest power in a term. It is nothing but the degree. Highest power in a term. It is nothing but the degree. So, the degree of this expression is nothing but 2. A square b power 1 plus a power 5 plus a b power 6 equivalent to 0. If 2 variables are there, add it. 2 plus 1, 3. These are nothing but 5. These are nothing but 7. 3, 5, 7. What is the highest? So, the degree of this expression is nothing but 7. Degree of this expression is nothing but 7. A power 5 divided by a power 3. This is nothing but a square. If there is any division operation, please do it. What is the degree of this expression? This is nothing but 2. This is nothing but 2. Concept number 1. Right? What is the definition of a degree? Highest power in a term. This is nothing but a non-negative integer. It is nothing but a non-negative integer. It cannot take negative values. It cannot take fractions. It cannot take fractions. Highest power. Highest power is nothing but a non-negative integer. Non-negative integer. A power 5 by a power 3 is nothing but a square. I hope the definition of degree in terms of one variable, in terms of 2 variables, in terms of division, I hope it is clear. Now let us see. Next one. Right? Concept number 1. Degree concept. See here. There is a question that is given here. All are taken from the exam model questions. P cube, Q square minus Q square, Q cube, R square and everything. Method 1, which is taught in your Narayanas or Chaitanyas or any of the coaching centers. Method 1, substitute values. Substitute values. Substitute some random values and check. This is again a time consuming question. I will tell you when to use this concept. I will give an algorithm when to use which concept. Method number 2. Best method, sir. Degree concept. Find out the degree of the numerator and find out the degree of the denominator. Degree is 3 plus 2, 5. Is there any term with the degree 5? No. The degree of the numerator is 5. P square Q, the degree is 3. Again 3, 3, 3. Degree in the denominator is 3. If it is in the form of a rational fraction, 5 by 3. So the degree of that question is nothing but 2. Degree of the question is nothing but 2. Answer also it should be degree 2. Answer also the degree should be 2. Answer also the degree should be 2. Constant, P plus Q plus R degree 1, this is nothing but degree 2. If more than one answer option has got the same degree, then which method to use? I will come for it. I will discuss that one. I am starting from, by this time you should have understood how I teach. Structured way of learning. First basic questions, then intermediate questions, then advanced level questions. I will not jump into advanced level questions. I will start with basics and I will end here. Question degree in the numerator. P cube Q square. If more than one variable is there, add the powers. 3 plus 2, 5. Next also it is 5. It is nothing but 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 3. Numerator degree is 5. Denominator degree is 3. 5 minus 3, it is nothing but 2. For your information, this is an original Capgemini question. Capgemini question way back in 2017. Right? 5 minus 3, it is nothing but 2. I hope the first question is clear. Once you have understood it, this question will take 5 seconds to solve. 5 seconds to solve if you have understood the approach. 3 plus 1, degree it is 4. K square, it is also 2. 4 minus 2, it is nothing but 2. It is also nothing but 2. It is also nothing but 2. Highest degree of 2, 2, 2. Answer should be 2. This is degree 3. Degree 1, constant. So answer is nothing but option C. Just by looking at a question itself, you will get to know. Now, if you observe, this is nothing but the first type of variables. Question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer also contains variables. Or some options have got numerical values. I hope you have understood this variety. I told you that there are 4 types to solve algebra problems. First type, primitive type. Question contains variables, answer contains variables or numerical values. Question contains, even if you see here, question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains variables and numerical values. See, solving max is different, sir. Solving aptitude is different. Clearing competitive examinations is different. It is like you know how to play cricket, but there is a difference in the way somebody plays a test match and the way T20 is played and the way one day it is played. Understand in clearing competitive examination, you should have a familiarity with. You should have a familiarity with all the exam patterns, which questions are coming, which varieties are coming. If you do not have the familiarity, the questions that come in Cognizant is different from a TCS Code Vita. The questions that come in Google Aptitude is different from a PayPal Aptitude. If you do not know which questions are the favorite questions for the placements, I'm sorry to say you are moving in the wrong directions. Teja, it is easy, right? P cube Q square, degree is nothing but 5. Everywhere it is 5. Numerator degree is 5. Denominator degree is 3. If it is fraction, 5 minus 3 is 2. Answer degree should be 2. Answer degree should be 2. B, C and D out. Option is nothing but A. Clear? Basics. You have to be extremely good. Now see, A into B minus C whole square. B square plus C square minus 2BC divided by C minus A into A minus B. A power 1 B square. It is 3. Again 3. Again 3. Highest power is nothing but 3. C into A. This is nothing but 2. Here it is 3. Here it is 2. Here it is 3. Here it is 2. If it is a fraction, 3 minus 2 is 1. Answer degree should be 1. Now it is intermediate level. It is intermediate level. It is intermediate level. Right? Jyotika, if it is A cube, A power 4, B power 2, C power 7, if there are different terms, I told you that take the highest power. Jyotika, I told you that take the highest power in a term, Betty. Take the highest power in a term. 3, 6 and 7. Highest it is nothing but 7. Highest it is nothing but 7. I hope it is clear. Again I will tell you, Samyukta, D is nothing but A into, I will repeat, B square plus C square minus 2BC divided by AC minus BC minus A square plus AB. See here, AB square, it is 3. 3. Numerator degree is 3. Denominator degree is 2. 3 minus 2, it is nothing but 1. 3 minus 2, it is nothing but 1. So, these degree 1, degree 1, degree 1. Answer also degree should be 1. B, C and D, it is eliminated. I hope Jyotika and Samyukta, I hope it is clear. X plus Y plus Z whole cube. X cube, this is degree 3. Degree 3, degree 3, degree 3. Answer should be degree 3. Answer should be degree 3. These degree 1, these degree 0. So, A and D are eliminated. A and D are eliminated. So, now you can substitute some values. X1, Y1, Z1. These 3 cube minus of 1 cube plus 1 cube plus 1 cube. 27 minus 3. Answer is nothing but 24. So, 24 XYZ. 24 into 1 into 1. Please remember these flow chart. Please remember these flow chart. Step number 1. First check the degree. First check the degree. If there is only one option with the degree in the question, that is the answer. If more than one answer option has the same degree, then substitute values. Then substitute values. Substitute values. Right? Step number 1 and step number 2, it is clear. Step number 3. Right? Even after substituting, you are getting more than an answer. Right? Execute the concept from the question. Suppose if a concept is based on quadratic, you substitute it. This is the flow chart you should follow. Please don't go and substitute variables without checking step number 1. Some questions can be solved directly by using step number 1, which we realized it in the first problems. Step 1, then step 2, then step number 3. One by one we will discuss. Sir, why you did x1, y1, z1? X1, Y1, Z1, I did it to simplify the calculation. Otherwise, if you take more values, the complexity of the question will increase. There is also, I will take on 11th morning or evening, one session till 11th only the classes will happen. So, 11th, I will take a special class on all symmetry based questions, which will help you to solve the questions without using concept also. Let us keep step number 4 as concept, step number 3 as symmetry. Symmetry, some 30-35 questions I will solve it. I hope it is clear. Next one. Now another concept. Concept number 2. Dependent variable concept. Now where this concept is used? I substituted some values, Rakesh. I substituted some values. Right, I cannot substitute 0 because everything will become 0. So, the next number after 0 is 1. I made x1, y1, z1. I substituted Substitution. That is what I wrote, right, Rakesh? Right, substitution. Next one. These and another type. What is this type? Question contains variables. Question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains numerical values. If the question contains variables, answer contains numerical values. How to solve? Question contains variables, answer contains numerical values. Method number 1. What is taught in by your local teachers is substitute some values. Substitute some P1, Q1, P1, Q2 and R minus 3. If you substitute, you will get this answer. No. Right? Method 2. Anil Nair's way of solving this question. How you should solve? If my students are there, how they will solve is P plus Q plus R equivalent to 0. P plus Q plus R equivalent to 0. P plus Q is nothing but minus R. Minus R. Can I say R, the value of R is dependent on P and Q. The value of R is dependent on P and Q. R is a dependent variable. R is a dependent variable. Make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. Sir, can I take Q plus R equivalent to minus P? P 0? Yes, beta. If you change P to Q, Q to R, R to P, still the equation will not change. I made R as a dependent variable. Make R as 0. 0 by anything 0. 0 into anything 0. 0 into anything 0. P square by P square 1. Q square by Q square 1. 1 plus 1, it is nothing but 2. Beautiful way of solving this question. For the type, if the question contains variables, answer contains numerical values. If the question contains variables, answer contains numerical values. You can use these concepts. Method number 2. What is method number 2? Right? Find out which is a dependent variable. Find out which is a dependent variable and substitute it. P plus Q plus R is 0. P plus Q. P plus Q equivalent to minus R. R is nothing but, R is a dependent variable. R is nothing but a dependent variable. Make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. Hey Anil sir, if I make Q plus R equivalent to minus P, make dependent variable 0. P is 0. This is 0. This is 0. This is 0. 1 plus 1, it is nothing but 2. Still the answer will not change. Still the answer will not change. I am not clear with your question, Maunika, so I am not taking up your question. Right? I hope it is clear. Make dependent variable 0. A plus B plus C equivalent to 2S. The value of SC is dependent on A, B and C. Make a dependent variable 0. Make a dependent variable 0. Your 30 seconds problem will become 5 seconds problem. Make S 0. Make S 0. A square plus B square plus C square divided by A square plus B square plus C square. Answer is nothing but 1. Answer is nothing but 1. Make a dependent variable 0. When it is used, if the question contains variables, if the question contains variables, answer, good number of answers will have numerical values. It may also be used if the answer contains variables. Understand